welcome back to Hold and Modify, YouTube's most poorly produced, underproduced Amiga channel. It's Q. Q's with ya, jamming out some Amiga mods. And why am I doing these Amiga mods at the start of this video? Because I want to show off a feature that inevitably, I don't know, every Amiga fanboy, and I'm a fanboy, I'm proud to use that term. You don't know Mac guy, you don't know Windows guy. 30 plus years ago, Amiga had preemptive multitasking. We could run multiple programs at the same time. And the Mac guys and the Windows guys are like, what are you talking about? Well, all computers can do that. Computers have been doing that forever. Well, it is true. They've been doing it forever. But I'm playing music right now with Eagle Player. All right? You can hear it playing. I'm going to run this directory program. Did the music stop playing? Did it skip a beat? No. I can go through here and click on stuff. Yeah, cool. Now, let me show you why my Amiga is best Amiga. I have view, and I can play animation while music is playing. Here we go. What's up? So now I'm playing a Ham 8. This is a very intensive file, by the way. This is a Ham 8 video file that's playing an anim file. The music is still playing in the background. And what I'm going to do next is switch over. Now, you know, the Windows guys, the Mac guys are like, yeah, okay, you can switch between your operating system and all your open programs. So what? That's like task switching. You know, Mac and Windows back in the day used a form of like task switching. But keep in mind that that music is still playing this whole time, and so is this video. And one of the things I can do that your Mac and your Windows computer couldn't do, and all you Amiga guys already know what I'm going to do, but here we go. Amiga's cool little trick that it's got. Click on the title bar and oh shit, look at this. We can see all the programs running in the background. They're still going. They haven't stopped. They're not waiting for us to come back to them. They're still running. This is the clutch. This is what made the Amiga operating system blow a lot of folks' minds back in the day, especially the nerds who were like totally into like computers and the potential, not just, you know, games and heck, not even just, you know, I want to make music on it. These are the people like, wait a minute, behind the scenes, the back end, this is really cool. So the 68,000 processor and whatever the heck Amiga's operating system is doing, you guys are able to like run all this software simultaneously and it doesn't shut down. Yeah. So I can stack this up, I can bring this back up, and I can go, hey, let's run, oh hell, I don't know, let's go, let's grab Scenery Animator and fire that up. So we'll load up a landscape here, if I can remember how to use the program, landscapes, Oahu, sure. Now, keep in mind, music is still playing. I'm going to now pull Scenery Animator down so we can see our Workbench operating system. I'm going to pull this down. You can see the video playing back there, and you can see Directory Opus still running. Now, while I'm doing that, I don't have to go back to Scenery Animator like this, okay? I can leave it down here, and I'm going to click the render button. I'm going to just blow your mind right now. So now, Scenery Animator just rendered that whole frame, even though it wasn't dominating the screen, it wasn't full screen. And guess what? I can pull it down to the actual render screen, and yeah, the music and the video, the anim file, are still playing in the background. This is so awesome. I'm totally nerding out right now. Oh my gosh, I have to stop recording. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry for that freak out, but the amount of amazing Amiga awesomeness just blew my mind and I broke. So yeah, you know, again, you can use the little widgets here in the corner to switch between apps, and we'll go ahead and just quit Opus now. And look, it takes me back to this. I can hit escape. Here's the view program again. You can pull view down, see the workbench in the background. This was what made the Amiga so special. This was, you know, 30 years ago, it was doing this. And yeah, I mean, you know, back then you had a, you know, 256K, half a megabyte, 1 megabyte Amiga. You couldn't run as many programs. You couldn't run as extensive the kind of programs I'm showing you today. Yes, this is a Amiga 4000 with a 68060 in it. This is the extreme example of what the Amiga eventually became, but it's still relevant for what it did back in the day. And yeah, with a properly kitted out one, I can show you all this cool, glorious stuff. But this is what made it so awesome. And this is one of the things, one of the killer apps, one of the killer features of the Amiga operating system, the Workbench operating system, that we just love to show off. And it made, all those years ago, 30 years ago, it made using a computer feel like it was gonna feel in the future. We just didn't know it yet. We always assumed that, well, I can do all this awesome stuff with my Amiga. I mean, it's just always going to be like this, right? They're just only going to get better from this point out. Well, that wasn't exactly the case. It did take Windows and it took even Mac even longer to finally do what the Amiga could do. And, we kind of didn't, I don't know, I guess we just didn't expect the Amiga to fall apart the way it did. But it did. But we were also spoiled by the fact that it could do all these amazing graphics, all this amazing sound. And yeah, we just got used to the fact that we had multitasking. We could just run multiple programs and not have to worry about, task switching or something in the background stopping. We could just keep working. And that was one of the really cool things about it. And of course, today in modern computing lands, we all have computers in our pockets that are also phone calls are also phones that can do all of this stuff too. But the Amiga kind of showed us back then, like, this is what everyone is going to be doing eventually. You're kind of in this cool little niche club right now with your Amiga, in the late 80s there, but everybody's going to be doing this eventually. And it is a shame that the Amiga didn't survive all that, but just wanted to show off what the heck, multitasking is. So the next time your dad's friend or your grandpa at this point starts blabbing about Amiga, it was the first to do this. My Amiga's best Amiga. Then now you know that why he's saying that, or she's saying that, or, whoever's saying that. The AI robot is saying that. Thanks for watching. This has been Hold and Modify. Check out my videos. Go through. Please click. I don't know. You might find something interesting. I try to answer all the questions in the comments that I can. A lot of times the questions you ask, I've actually made videos for because I've been doing this for a couple years now. That's kind of cool, All right. Later.